Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I have already applied my foundation on and did my eyebrows as well. The first thing that I am going to be doing is that I am going to be taking a pencil eyeliner and going to be drawing the circles first. Although in this step you could take like a bottle cap or something smaller than that, but for me I chose to draw the circle because I felt that it was more easier. After drawing the circles, add a leaf, or whereas the branch, I really do not know what it is called, but it's where the cherries are held onto. In drawing the small branches, I have started in the midway of the circle, going up to the middle in between of the two circles of the cherry and going back down to the other side of the circle. And I am going to be doing the same on the other side, although that if you have noticed that I have made it as mirrored. So far, this is the final look of where I have outlined the cherries. And now I am going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Palette Volume Number 1. And I am going to be taking the red shade to where I am going to be applying it on the circles. In this step, you can use any brush as long as to where you are comfortable with. But I do recommend you all to use like a small thin makeup brush to where it's not gonna be smudged everywhere. Although if it's gonna be smudged, you can always use foundation to cover up the smudged area. And now for the branch or to where the cherries are being held onto, I have used the concealer brush and I have mixed two colors which are yellow and blue because the palette that I am using does not have green. If your palette does not have a green color like as I do, you could always mix blue and yellow together as it will give you a green color. It may look like black although it's like a dark green color, or whereas it is showing that it is like an army green color. And applying this army green color, I am going to be doing the same for the other side as well. So far, this is the final look of the cherries. Now for the eyeshadow, I am going to be using the W7 Delicious palette. This eyeshadow palette is similar to the Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette. And the shades that I am going to be using is the Raw Sienna or Sienna and the Cypress or Cypress Umber shade. I do really apologize because I am really not good with pronouncing the eyeshadow names. And I have combined these two shades. And I am going to be applying through halfway through my crease and to my lid. After applying the eyeshadow, I have used an eyeliner and used angled brow brush and made a little bit of wing eyeliner. The lipstick that I have applied is the Makeup Revolution London Matte Poise Liquid Lipstick. Now for styling of the hair, either you could put your hair down or you could use a red headband or the messy pigtails. Or lastly is the ponytail. Hope you guys like the final look that I have made.